Blossom Valley, San Jose, an urban and suburban blend. Continuous tree-lined streets, minutes reach to everything. And a community where neighbors look out for one another.
And here on this street, you'll find our newest listing, where the home is situated at the very front of an 8,200 square foot lot, giving you one of the most ample backyards in the neighborhood. You'll appreciate having no back neighbors. You're gonna love this home. Let's go inside. This home has updates at every turn, and it's a rare find you must see for yourself.
After a long day, imagine coming home to a private retreat, waiting for your extra touches, or keeping it low maintenance as is. Be sure to reach out to us for more details, a private tour, or be notified of upcoming listings.